In this video, I'll be showing you how I record my bass videos. Take a look.
Open up the champagne, pop. It's my house, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door and the night begins.
When recording bass videos, I always use an audio interface. So, this is the interface I have. The bass plugs into here, into this input. This is a 2-input audio interface. I could also plug in a mic over here because this is an XLR. And this here, this knob controls the input volume for that bass right here. And if I plug it into my computer here, okay, there, the light's on. So it's connected by USB. Anyways, okay, so what else do I have here? I also have pedals. So pedals, well, if I wanted to, let's say, use some pedals, then I would go from the bass to the pedals to the interface. But if, let's say I have a really good amp or something, this amp I don't usually record with, but let's say I had a really expensive amp, I had a GK or a Mark bass, then I would use a DI in that case. I would go from bass, pedals, DI, to the amp and also the interface. Yeah, and in that case I would use an XLR cable to plug into here. When recording bass videos, I also like to listen to myself play. In that case, I need headphones. Headphones also plug into the audio interface. A few years ago, I got some noise complaints for playing bass too loud while using an amplifier. So, when I hear myself play through the interface, I will not get any more noise complaints. And to control the loudness that comes out of my headphones, I would use the output knob here. And if I am doing direct signal, I would have to make sure that this button is on. Here we go. I like to use a webcam camera when filming. I feel like the quality is pretty good enough, and it allows me to see myself play as well. Quality is pretty good, and that way I also don't have to connect any external devices. This is recording on a budget. I do feel like I probably want to get a better quality camera, maybe in the future. And if I plan to make more of these videos, I also plan to get maybe a microphone, so please feel free to let me know if you have any recommendations. And to control the height of the camera, I've also got a button on my desk here, so I can go down. Okay, so here's a demonstration. I will take some cable here. I've got a 9-inch cable here. So I plug it into the bass on one end. In this case, I'm not plugging into pedals because my recording software has enough pedals and I can also control them. I can control the settings of the sound. Here's the interface. I will plug it in here. And then I can hear myself through here. That's how I record. And then I always film using this camera, the photo booth on the Mac.